The PBA is all primed up for a more successful new season. Papasok sa ibang panibagong taon ng kompetensya. Usap-usapan na ngayon ang mga bagong rules na gagamitin sa laro at kung sino-sino ang magpapakitang gilas sa loob ng hardcourt. Pihadong maraming matchups ang aabangan. Meralco vs Barangay Ginebra. Another duel in the making between imports Allen Durham at Justin Brownlee. C-Stan vs the Gene Kings and the coach who traded him. And Converge versus all the other teams that frustrated them last year and many more. Pero kung individual rivalries naman sa mga locals ang pag-uusapan, wala na sigurong mas hihintayin kundi ang magiging labanan nila CJ Perez at Cedric Barefield. Coming from the opposite poles of the PBA sphere, Perez from the wealthy block of San Miguel companies and Barefield from the disadvantaged enclave of independent teams. It's a hard-court battle that promises to be one of the most exciting to watch in the coming year. Sa paglipas ng mga taon, marami ng historic rivalries ang nabuo na siyang nagbigay ng kulay sa laro. They provided extra dramatic elements to the game's main plot points, keeping the viewers entertained to the fullest. Para sa 49th season ng PBA, sina Perez at Barefield ang mukhang susunod na magbibigay kahulugan sa katagang a matchup made in heaven. Unang-una, halos magsinglaki ang dalawa. 6'2 si Perez at 6'3 naman si Barefield. Shooting guard si CJ na pwedeng mag-switch paminsan-minsan sa point guard, habang ang point guard naman si Barefield na kaya ding lumipat sa number 2 kapag kinakailangan. When it comes to playing style, they are almost identical. Barefield is deadly in the open court just like Perez. The University of Utah alumnus has the ability to break down double teams by dribbling his way through traffic. May reliable mid-range shot siya at kayang bumato sa labas ng 3-point arc. O, para sa taon na ito, kahit sa 4-point line. He always looks for the slightest opening so he could penetrate to the basket. Like Perez, Barefield also loves to cover the passing lane or steal the ball away from the hands of the man he's guarding. Siguradong sa unang pagharap pa lang ay matcha-challenge na si Perez sa number 2 pick overall ng taon. So, pakitaan nito ng discarded skills. Go-to guy versus go-to guy in offense. Tiyak na makikita ni CJ ang sarili niya sa galawan ng baguhang Philam. Shifty, relentless and eager to win, mga katangiang masasalamin ni Perez kapag makasabay niya sa court si Barefield. Experience-wise, lamang ng konti si Perez. Yung mga stint ng San Miguel A's sa World Cup, Asian Games, SEA Games at Olympic qualifying tournament kung saan marami na siyang nakalarong NBA at world-class talents ay walang dudang lalo pang magpapahusay sa kanya. Entering his 7th season in the PBA where he has secured 3 scoring titles already, kabisado na din ni Perez ang mga dapat gawin para manatiling effective player sa isang winning team. Sa panig naman ni Barefield, he still has to make adjustments. For one, he'll be playing for a PBA team with a very low success rate. Also, he'll be tackling a role that may prove more demanding than what he was used to. Pero kapag magawa niya ng maayos ang trabahong hihingin sa kanya, hindi malayong masungkit niya ang Rookie of the Year award. Mas bata si Barefield kay Perez sa edad na 27. Pero hindi naman basta-basta matatawaran din ang career ng basketball journeyman. Bukod sa pagsuot ng Oklahoma City Blue uniform sa G League, umukpok din sa Nevezai Skelenie ng Lithuanian Basketball League si Barefield, kung saan nag-average ito ng 15 points, 1.8 rebounds at 2.5 assists per game. Early last year, Barefield signed with the Bay Area Dragons of the East Asia Super League as their Asian import, where he gave a good account of himself. What's going to work well for Barefield is his experience of being mentored by the legendary NBA coach Larry Brown. Nangyari ito in his first college season as a Southern Methodist Mustang. Although nasuspende si Brown noong taong nasa bench ng SMU si Barefield, nagabayan pa rin niya ang bata hanggang sa lumipat ang huli sa kampo ng Utah for his sophomore season. Si Brown lang naman ang nag-coach kay Reggie Miller at Indiana Pacers noong magkasunod na taong nakapasok ang team sa Eastern Conference Finals noong 90s. Bukod kay Brown, nahawakan na din si Barefield ng matinik na Australian coach na si Brian Gurjan sa EASL. Now, Barefield going to play under Coach Jeff Carriazo, who is still trying to carve a name in the PBA as a bench tactician. Barefield is expected to play the point, but may also be asked to man the number 2 position in partnership with mainstay RK Ilagan or new recruit Kib Montalvo. Aasahang gagawa ng explosive offensive partnership si Barefield sa Blackwater import na si Rick Lido, na hinasa ng todo ng kanyang malawak na karanasan sa mga international pro leagues. Kaya naman kaabang-abang ang salpukang San Miguel at Blackwater sa gaganaping Governor's Cup. The Beermen will have their hands full in containing the reinforced Bossings this time. Knowing Perez, he'll surely face the new challenge with all weapons loaded. The Predator capped the first ever Best Player of the Conference award of his career during the Commissioner's Cup and placed third in the MVP race of the previous season. Plus, he's coming off a FIBA Olympic qualifying tournament stint in Latvia, so he's still humming with confidence. Bearfield will come in the league motivated to prove that he deserves the chance to play in the PBA. He is also out to show the Filipino basketball aficionados that he is a game changer to a floundering franchise. Tipong Stephen Holt noong isang taon sa Terra Firma. Kailangan ng PBA na bumawi sa nakaraang season na di masyadong tinao. Isang bagay na makakapagbalik ng interes ng fans ay kung makakabuo ng exciting na bagong rivalry sa liga. A Perez and Bearfield showdown should provide the sideshow the PBA badly needs. They should form one of the newest matchups to watch in Season 49, and hopefully, if the league's decision makers allow it, deep into the future.